And we are back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a simple 3D letter in Adobe Illustrator. We want to have a fill color and a black stroke. I'm going to use an orange as a fill and a stroke weight of 1 point. Then we use the rectangle tool to drag a random rectangle. I press V for the selection tool, hold Alt and drag a copy out of it, then I hold Shift and I rotate it 45 degrees. I'll drag another copy out of it, holding Alt, then right click, transform, reflect, vertical, and then OK. I'll reposition that to the top position, just like this. It looks fine. I'll select it all, I'll reposition it, and then I drag only the top half point upwards. Let me size down this rectangle a little bit. And that should be a good starting point for our A. We need another rectangle. It has to cover the edges, the rest isn't important. Select it all, use the shape builder tool, then hold Alt and we'll get rid of the bottom part. And now I'll reposition the rectangle in the middle upwards with the arrow keys and I'll size it down. I'll hold Alt when I do so that both sides are sized down at the same time. That's fine. I'll use the shape builder tool again and now I connect the remaining shapes and we've got our basic A. I select that shape and then I hold Alt and a copy out of it. I hold Shift so that it snaps vertically. And that's fine. Let me give the second one another color. And now I'll put that in the back, so right click, arrange, center back. But maybe I'll use the arrow keys to reposition that a little bit more downwards, but that's good. Now we want to use the line segment tool to create these little lines to have our 3D effect. I'll just go from anchor point downwards to the other anchor point. Basically, we only need 3 of them, so this one on the left is unnecessary. We can simply use the rectangle tool for that. Zoom in. I'll hold Alt and use the mouse wheel for that. And we'll need another rectangle on the right hand side, just like the one on the left. That's fine. I deselect it and I shift click on both rectangles, on the right and on the left, and I give it a fill color. Just like this. And that's almost it. Let me select it all. You can see maybe at these positions where the strokes meet. In your example, a different effect. Open the stroke menu under window and you need to set the corners from mid join to this effect. Just try it out and your strokes should disappear. But let me give the stroke a different color. Maybe this orange looks good. And this is how we can create such a simple 3D letter in Adobe Illustrator with only the basic shapes and basic tools. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.